everyone, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and today I'm here to share with you some tips on adding texture and monochromatic color tone to your cardstock with a simple, easy technique, and that is called direct to paper. With direct to paper, you actually are going to take your ink pad and drag it across your cardstock or pattern papers to add monochromatic colored texture to your projects. So let me show you. So this technique is easy to do with an ink pad and either cardstock or pattern paper. You can choose to tape this down with washi tape or scotch tape to hold it to your mat. I recommend having either a glass mat underneath it or some scrap paper, and then hold your paper tight if it's not taped down, and you simply put your ink pad down and drag it. If you drag it heavy, you get a lot of color. If you drag it lightly, you'll get a little color, and you can even kind of bounce across your paper like this to add extra texture lines. Once you create pieces like this, you can create elements for your projects. Now this looks really neat in multiple colors. I wanted to show you something that's bright, and now I would like to show you something that's very neutral. And each color looks different. You can turn your paper in different ways, and now you have lots of really neat texture to add to the background of your projects. So I created some really neat textured hearts simply by dragging my Melon Mambo ink pad across my Melon Mambo cardstock. And then I punched them with the Bee Builder punch to create these fun elements. You can also add multiple colors to your cardstock, and this will allow you to create multicolored elements. This is basic white cardstock with balmy blue, azure afternoon, and blueberry bushel added. And when you do that, you can create elements like this that look like water that you can add to your projects. Now, this was created, then I embossed it, and then after I embossed it, I dragged another color over the top to hit that texture that had been embossed into the cardstock. Now let me show you another fun way to use direct to paper. This piece of cardstock has been embossed with the Damask Designs embossing folder. And after I did that, I then added my ink to the cardstock, and where the paper is embossed is going to pick up the color more. And you can also do it with something lighter. So I embossed this piece of cardstock. This is Secret Sea with the same Damask Designs embossing folder, except now you can drag white over the top, and this creates a really cool look to create elements for your projects as well. So I hope you like these techniques on an easy way that you can add interest to your projects simply by using your pattern papers, cardstock, and an ink pad.